What is up? So, Medellin, Colombia. Look at this place. And there's the mountains up there. There's a bunch of trees and flowers and birds. It's like super nice every single day of the week. Like, awesome, beautiful. But like, what it's really taught me and what I've learned from like living here specifically is like, you see these birds flying around and like these trees, and like the birds will come in the morning and like eat off the trees, and they'll like sing and like make crazy noises. And then like at night you'll have little lizards that like come up by the lights, and it's just like overwhelming life. And like, that's like, that's beautiful, right? Because, they're out there doing their thing, the birds or the bees and the hummingbirds, and you're doing your thing, and like, we're all just connected, we're all just life that's just flowing every single day. And like, being connected to nature and life is essential. Like, it's essential. It's not an option. It has to happen. Because if you're not connected to something, if you're not connected to something bigger than yourself, you'll self-destruct, right? Because you'll feel alone, you'll feel disconnected, and like, that's suicide, that's anxiety, that's chronic disease, that's accelerating the death process versus life, right? Versus just being part of this beautiful organism. We're all connected, right? Every life form, it's just a form of energy, and we're all just flowing and we're all just doing our thing. And when you tap into that source of energy, it's infinite, it's abundant, it never ends, right? And being here in Medellin, it's opened my eyes to that, and it's changed my life, and it's shown me what this world needs and what humanity needs. So yeah, get connected every day to beauty and nature and life, and smile and breathe it in, right? That's the dream, right? Just creating more life, being energy and giving energy, and not taking away from that, making it better for everyone and everything. Because, we want to bring our children into better worlds, right? We want to make it better. Be like, there's amazing things we can create when we're just observing and being grateful. So, that's something that's really inspired me, that I hope resonates with you, and I hope it's something that we can all support and implement and do every single day, right? It's like, take a few minutes. Whew. Like, it's all good. Like, the universe is going. We're all part of this together. All right? I'll catch you in another video. All right, peace.